Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to be a YouTuber but looking for unique make money on YouTube channel ideas without showing face? Then don't worry because today we will discuss some of the best video ideas to make money on YouTube without showing your face that you should start today 2022. I got these ideas from the most famous YouTube channels that are doing a fabulous job in their field without revealing their faces. We have also included the names of some of them in this video. You can see their videos and appreciate them and their best faceless YouTube niches. So number one is DIY craft YouTube ideas without face. DIY crafting is one of the most creative content out there on YouTube and the best YouTube channel ideas without showing face. No need to reveal yourself while crafting something unique. Use hands only video to showcase your creativity and uniqueness throughout the content. What DIY means? Well, DIY means do it yourself, creating or repairing something new from the household items yourself. It's great YouTube video ideas without showing face to create a variety of new items using only useless or household stuff. But for this, you have to be creative. Only then you will be able to create something amazing with useless and simple things that other people can do. People like to share this type of video on social media so that you will start gaining views and subscribers very quickly. And the best thing is you can actually make money on YouTube without showing your face in this video. Number two, gameplay without showing face. Gaming is currently the hottest opportunity to start a YouTube channel without showing face. It's one of the fastest growing categories with 599,000 concurrent viewers. The world's most subscribed no face gaming channel has 32 million subs. It's good signal to get started. During the time of the coronavirus epidemic, when all the people were locked in their homes, in that time, too many new gaming creators have emerged. People like these gaming videos as well as it did not take much time to grow these channels. To start the faceless gaming channel, you will also need some equipment that you must have. Using this equipment, you can live stream your gameplay on YouTube or can edit and upload. Choose a game that is currently launched and people are interested to see or in which you are a pro player. This is the best YouTube channel ideas without showing face for games. Number three, animation video ideas. Animation is one of the best ways to express your thought, knowledge, experience, or anything you want to spread with others. You must have seen cartoons in your childhood. They also used to have voice movements and storytelling, but never saw any person. Um, don't worry, you don't need to do that type of professional animation. There are some tools on the internet that make animations for you. You can use those tools for your channel, and the best of which is known as whiteboard animation. Finally, you can edit and upload the video as per your choice. This is one of the best ideas for YouTube channel without showing your face or voice. Another idea is faceless cooking channel content ideas. This is hardly anyone left on the internet who has not seen the food related video, and this is the best YouTube channel ideas without showing face or voice. If you are a woman, a girl, or a housewife, you we will highly suggest you start a cooking channel and make money on YouTube without showing your face. Not just women, if you are a guy and know very well about cooking, then you should definitely go with it. Then you can share the cooking tips and tricks or make new dishes on your channel. It's a perfect video idea for YouTube without showing your face. To make a cooking related video, you can use a table on which you can place all the materials. For videography, you can use a stable tripod in which you can mount your phone or camera and connect it to the mic. That's it. In this way, all the cooking related information you give will be recorded along with video and audio. Don't forget to share the amazing YouTube video ideas without showing face with friends. Another best idea is a home decoration faceless channel idea. Yes, the world is full of festivals. Every day there's a festival for someone, and you very well know what happens during festival seasons. Yes, it's time to decorate homes, streets, and more. Every year people wait for their favorite festive, whether we talk about Christmas, New Year, Diwali, Eid, etc. Home decoration is always searchable content, but festival season is the time when most people search for decoration ideas for their home. So you may share some regular housing tips without showing your face, like how your living room should look like and how you can improve your bedroom. So if you have good knowledge about decoration items, tips or some extraordinary ideas to share with others, that's going to be a great opportunity for you. Next is a faceless tutorial video. If you have very good knowledge in a profession, then you should make videos on YouTube and teach them to other people as well. Maybe you could be a professional singer, dancer, actor, model, painter, photographer, electrician, barber, or even a teacher. It's a great make money on YouTube video ideas without showing face or voice to share knowledge. For example, I have decent knowledge about computers and their components, as we know how the gaming channels are growing day by day. But still there are many people who want to make their own gaming setup, but they don't know what components they will need. In such a situation, I can share a tutorial video of how to build a gaming PC step by step. Another best idea is a review or unboxing without showing face. There are many people who like to see feedback or review products before purchasing them, so that they get answers to all the questions related to the product. It is a kind of knowledgeable YouTube channel ideas without showing face. You select any product and highlight all the good and bad things about it. You can also use a product you have shopped, review it, and upload it on YouTube. If someone else wants to buy the same product, then he can see your review before making a purchase. It's a pretty easy way to make money on YouTube without showing your face, even for beginners. Next is the documentaries without showing face. This is one of the finest niche for a student, teacher, or even if you are a knowledge lover who wanted to share a story, incident, or history as a visual form. It's a pretty easy to create a documentary. Just use some copyright-free videos and actual images or videos to give a perfect visualization. But keep in mind the videos and images should be relevant to your context. Once you complete your biggest elements, just overlay a great voiceover for the documentary. You may others documentaries to get inspiration. If you are looking to create an animation, then I will suggest you have a look at the infographic YouTube channel. Next is a motivational quotes and speech. Motivational quotes and speech could be the best faceless channel idea for those who have good speaking skills, because you need to be clear about what you want to convey to others. If you know storytelling or even tried, then just go for it. All you need to do is create a motivational story or find one on the internet, and you also have an opportunity to create content for everyone, whether he is a businessman, student, or even a working woman. Once you prepare yourself, give it a narration and record your voice. Make sure your audio is recorded in high quality, because you are going to motivate someone through your voice only. There should not be background noise or airflow sound. Now find out context related royalty free videos to use for creating motivational videos. Just go to any video editing software and merge your audio with it. In the end, this was our list of the top 10 best YouTube channel ideas without showing face, especially for beginners. Everyone can spread their passion, knowledge, art, and skills to others. If you still don't know why should you start a channel, then just choose one of these idea to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, or if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.